We're back, guys. So we're spending the weekend at a flow drop in the Netherlands. It's in the province of Limburg. It's everything's very nice here, very peaceful, calm. As you can see, it's close to Roermond. If you know Roermond, it's like an outlet place where you can buy clothing for a very cheap price, but it's very busy. Around here, it's pure nature. People are very nice. Yeah, I'm really enjoying my time here. We're 2 days, and let's make the best of it, right?